and welcome to Brew Haven Coffee, where great coffee meets fair and responsible employment. I am Emerson A. Aureliano, your HR manager, and I will be discussing our company's fair pay and legal compliance to the law. At Brew Haven Coffee, we proudly serve quality beverage while ensuring that our employees are treated with fairness, respect, and full compliance with labor laws. Now, let's talk about the salary structure. Our company guarantees that all team members receive wage that meet or exceed the minimum wage set by law. We also provide proper overtime compensation for any approved work beyond regular hours. Through pay transparency and equity, we make sure every employee is valued and rewarded fairly. In terms of employee benefits, Brew Haven Coffee strictly provides all mandatory governments and benefits such as SSS, PhilHealth, and Pag-ibig. We also ensure the release of 13-month pay and other legally required benefits to support our employees' well-being. And lastly, the labor standards. We follow proper working hours, provide adequate rest breaks, and maintain a safe and inclusive workplace. At Brew Haven Coffee, we practice equal opportunity and zero discrimination for all employees. Start your career with a company that values both great coffee and fair compensation. Apply today and grow with Brew Haven Coffee, where every cup and every employee matters.